Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can delete your Instagram account if you're on Android or whether you're on iOS. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Instagram account permanently, we are going to go ahead and then first of all open up the Instagram app. Once you open the Instagram app, from the very bottom right, you can see this profile icon. All you have to do is go ahead and then tap on your profile icon. As you come to your profile page over here, on the top right hand side, tap on those three horizontal dot icon. As you tap on those three horizontal lines, again you'll see all of these options. What you have to do is select the option which says settings. As you select settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. Again, you'll find another option which says help. Select the option called help and simply go to help center at the very top. Once you go to help center, you'll see all of these options on this particular page, and instead what we have to do is go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in delete account. So in the search box, we will simply type in delete account and then search for it. As you tap on delete account, you'll basically see all of these options and you'll see delete your Instagram account at the top. Tap on delete your Instagram account and scroll down a little bit. You'll find instagram.com from a mobile browser. We'll open up this drop down menu and you'll find this little text which says delete your account. All we have to do is tap on delete your account right over here button. So we will go ahead and then tap on delete your account. As you do that, you can see it is going to take us to this page which says delete your account. So we will select a reason why we want to delete it. I'll go ahead and select any of these, and all you have to do is simply enter your password on this particular box. Once you enter your password, you can see it says if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on October of 12th. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So after today, your Instagram account is basically going to get deactivated for at least a month, and after that, if you don't try to log in, your account is going to be permanently deleted and there will be no way that you can regain back access into your account. So go ahead and then tap on the delete your account button and then confirm it after entering your password. Once done, you will have successfully deleted your Instagram account, and this was the way on how you can delete your Instagram account very easily. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.